Finance Minister Sitharaman has reacted to NewsX's bad loans RTI story. NewsX reported that rupees 10 lakh crore had been written off in 15 years. Nirmala Sitharaman said that the government has come up with a solution in the budget to tackle this problem, and she also added that the absence of culture under the UPA was the main reason behind these bad loans. She also said that Bad Assets Bank will find a solution as well. And Praful Sarda, the RTI activist, is joining us on the phone line. Praful, it's an important, development pertaining to the fact that bad loans have been crippling the economy in more ways than one. And Nirmala Sitharaman has said that they will find a solution to it. But the question is when and how?
I would like to mention a couple of things that Nirmala Sitharaman ji have missed it. Number one, if we compare both the regime, under the UPA regime and the India regime, then UPA regime had about 2,25,000 crore loan written off. That's a bad loan. That's what we call. And under India regime, as the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji got elected as a Prime Minister, so they have about 8 lakh crore loan written off. So it's not about the NDA or a UPA. If we look at carefully, it's the RBI policy that is more or responsible for these loan write-offs in a bad loans. That's what we call. Because we are still following 1995 loan policies. And the policy clearly states all the credit-related issues and the matters are deregulated with the bank. So it's a bank's board of directors and the managing director, those who decides whom to give loan, how much to give loan, how to do recovery of a particular loan. And then RBI has no right to ask any question regarding it. So I think these policies needs to change on a priority basis on the implementation of this happen, and so that the common people like us, like you and me, will not end up losing and paying more money for the industrialists who run away with our money, who to the businessmen who do not pay back, and the common people will get a maximum benefit. Then coming to the other point, Nirmala Sitharaman just missed out a very particular point, that it's not about a bad banks or a good banks. It's about the bank managing committee, the board of directors, they decide. So ultimately they should be held responsible for this, so that no other banks will dare to give away loans freely the way I have did it to the Vijay Mallya, Nirav Choksi, and what you call, then many other industrialists like Venugopal Dhoot and many other people.
Right, absolutely. And Praful, it's COVID-19, the situation pertaining to banks has deteriorated further. When do you see these bad loans, coming to their, full resolution? Is it going to be decided in the next couple of years, or do you think this is a problem which is at least going to take 5 to 6 years or even a decade for the government to tackle?
Unless until we do not work on the policy which is framed by the RBI, we will not have a fixed and final solution. So it is very important to have a core committee that will look after these issues, and the new policy should be framed on the priority basis. So the implementation will happen soon, and so nobody will lose the money, neither a bank nor a common people. Let me give you two very simple facts about it. What happens is when a particular bank faces this issue about a loan writing off or a bad debt, so ultimately it's common people who do not get a higher rate of interest. That's the loss. And number two, while opting for a particular loan, we have to pay higher interest. So ultimately it's common people who end up paying extra money. So RBI do not pay anything to these banks. Ultimately the money is going from our taxes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.